Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. What the are y'all up to? Just kidding. I am here to show you guys a little of my hot mess that's going on around here. I have my vanity in my bathroom, which I used as my vanity, but now since I'm doing this beauty room, I kind of want to show you guys like my little setup that I have going on and kind of give you guys like a little sneak peek. I do plan on doing a video on all my makeup, like showing you guys my makeup collection, like from everything, like from A to Z, like all my palettes, all my brushes, all my concealer, all my foundations, all my lippies, like everything. This is just like a little sneak peek to show you guys what I'm working with. So if you're interested, please keep watching. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. It's the red button. Also hit the little bell right next to it to notify you of any upcoming videos. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I think that's about it. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Super affordable. They look just like any other ones that I bought in the past. So here I have all my lippies. These are my lip liners along with like my big lip stains. Some Kat Von D ones, some Too Faced. So that's where I have my big ones. Then coming down, I guess I don't want to get too much like off the topic. So I'll kind of show you like in bunches. I just showed you the lippies and I'll continue to show you. Here on this other side, I have more lippies. I have my lip stains. I have my MAC lipsticks. Then here I honestly just have like my Too Faced translucent powder because like I said, I'm still trying to figure out where all these things are going. Over here I have this little spinny loo thing. It's where my brushes are at right now. Right here I have like my color correctors and like my eyeshadow insurances, primers, my contour stuff. That's what I have right there. And then if you spin it, I have some brushes that I haven't used. These brushes I was going to do a video on actually. I got this 25 pack of brushes and I actually got them at Burlington yesterday. It was a 25 pack brush for $25 and it comes with angled brushes, it comes with contour brushes, it comes with concealer brushes, it comes with, I also purchased this at Burlington yesterday if you guys could still see the little sticker which I need to take off. It just comes, every brush you can think of it comes with. So I thought that was a pretty neat deal. I'm not sure how good the quality is on the brushes. Like I said, I haven't tried them. You can see they're fairly new, so I haven't tried them. So we'll see how that goes. And I already showed you that. And then going down here, I have my foundations. Like I said, I do have some here. And I have some in my bathroom vanity. So I'm still transitioning. Here are the main ones that I use. I have my MAC one, my Born This Way, and my Too Faced along with some concealers back here. And then here I have all my glitter liners along with my eyeshadow. What are these called? I can never get these. These are called eyeshadow. Liquid eyeshadow, there you go. So that's where I have that. And then coming here, I have all my setting sprays. Again, these are only 3 of them that I have in here. I still have more in my beauty room. My eyeliner, my primer water from Smashbox, along with the So Chill Coconut with the Tarte, along with the Tarte, what is this? Radiance drop. It's like kind of like a highlight drop thing. Sorry guys about my nail. I haven't had time to go do my nails. I'm going tomorrow to go do them. So yeah, sorry about that. I know it looks horrible. More that way. In here I have my, it's like a little container with my sponges, my little beauty blender sponges. Again, this is only some. Going back over there, I have another little spinny thing with a lot more brushes, as you can tell. I have big brushes along with all my little brushes. Like I just have tons and tons and tons and tons. And then here I have all my eyeliners. Here are liquid eyeliners. We have the MAC eyeliner. We have all these different color liners. Tarte one, all that good stuff. And then here you have this little sample highlighter that they sent me in my Ipsy, along with a blush that I use. My memory card there, sorry. And then here are my lashes and my glue. I need to find a way to organize this, along with my Anastasia contour kit. I just have these there, honestly, sorry about that. I have these there right now because, like I said, I haven't found a perfect way of organizing them. So yeah, I need to figure out how to organize. So if you guys have any ideas, I guess, of how to organize, if you guys could please let me know. So I think that was it, a little sneak peek of that, of how I'm organizing in here. I'm still not 100% done. I still want to show you guys like my lighting setup and all my pictures that I have. Other people do. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little sneak peek dash video of some of my makeup, because trust me, this is not even like 5% of my makeup. I have so much more stuff. So thank you guys for watching this. If you guys have any ideas of any other videos, comment below and let me know. Also, I just did a Draw My Life video. The link will be uploaded. The link will be posted down below as well, so you can check that video out. I hope to see you guys soon. Please return, and we will be seeing y'all later. Toodaloo, everyone.